Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video I thought that we would go on a little picnic. So we had a very last minute picnic one evening and I just wanted to show you what I made and how you can make a really fancy looking aesthetic picnic just using basic food items. So we will get straight into the video. So I decided to make some scones for our picnic, or scones, depending how you say it, but I am a scones girl. And I had this really handy packet mix that I just got in my Tesco shop. It was like 75p, and all you need to add to it is some milk. So because this was like a spontaneous picnic, it was really quick and easy, and obviously meant that we had the freshest scones that we could have. The packet says that it makes around 8 scones, but we got more out of it than that. But I used a mini cutter just because it was a better size for the boys if they were going to have any on the picnic. And I have of course got my little helper as always, who is just going to brush some milk on top of them, which makes them a lovely golden brown colour, or you can of course use egg. To make it all feel a little bit more decadent, I decided to put some jam, some lemon curd and some clotted cream into these little clip top jars that I got from B&M. They were just £1 each, but I think that it just makes it look much more special. I think it'd be a really nice gift actually if you were going to give somebody like a cream tea or an afternoon tea. It is a really inexpensive but fancy looking gift, I think. Pizza is always a winner for everybody, isn't it? But this was a much more fun way to serve it, I thought. I got some of this pizza dough, again, just from Tesco, and I put on some pre-done pizza topping. It was just so quick and easy to make it this way, and then I added some really cheap mozzarella and some pepperoni. Obviously you can put whatever you want on, and then I literally just rolled it up like a Swiss roll. Although I did not make this look easy at all. I think I would recommend keeping your pizza dough in the fridge for as long as possible until you need it. It was a really hot day and I think that mine had been out of the fridge for a little bit too long, so it was difficult to roll. But I just sliced it into pieces and put it inside a muffin tin, just in each individual muffin section, and then popped it in the oven. And luckily they came out much nicer looking than when they went in. And yeah, these were a big hit. Everybody really liked these, and it's just a fun way to have them, just a bit different. You cannot have a picnic without sandwiches, but I really did not want to take like the boring generic sandwiches, so I got some of this tiger bread, which is just the best. You just have to make sure that you eat it as fresh as possible. It only lasts like a day, but I just sliced them in two and added all of our favourite toppings, so just some salad and some ham and a little bit of salad cream, and then sliced it in half. I then wrapped it in some baking paper and tied it with some string, which I think, as well as being practical, because obviously it's keeping all of the filling together, it just gives it a really delicatessen sort of look. It makes it look much more appealing. I am a big fan of nicely presented food, and I think this made it feel much more special. And I think this would be really good if you are hosting a little picnic, to tie them up with some very simple baking paper. It just makes it feel a little bit more special. Next, onto something to drink. The boys absolutely loved this. They thought they were having a really nice fancy drink, and all it was some juice that I had already had. and some chopped up fruit and some ice cubes. These are reusable ones actually, so they're really good because they just go straight back in the freezer. And I popped it in my carafe, and yeah, this is just a great way to serve a nice drink, just making it feel a little bit more special, and it looks really nice as well. Next, this is a great one for the kids. These are just some pancake kebabs. I just got some American pancakes and used a mini cutter on them, and I cut up some bananas, I had some strawberries and some raspberries, and I just sandwiched the pancakes together with some chocolate spread and then put them all onto a little mini kebab stick. And the boys love these. These are a real nice little thing to take on a picnic, really easy to just pop them all into a lunchbox. They have got a little bit of everything, so these are a really good little picnic snack. Now that the food is all done, all that is left to do is to pack it all up and go and find your perfect picnic spot. I would love to know in the comments down below if you are a cream before jam person or a jam before cream. I actually did it the opposite way that I normally do in this video. I think normally I do jam and then cream, but I know it is a big debate of how you would have your scone normally, so do let me know. I really hope that you enjoyed watching today's video, guys. If you're not already subscribed, it would mean the world if you hit that subscribe button and gave it a big thumbs up. I hope that you are having a lovely time enjoying this sunshine that we are having in the UK, and I would love to see you again for my next video. Bye everyone!